Hi, Medicare and Leather. 1 minute to help you figure out how to review your Part D drug coverage this year. So basically, there's a few different ways. You can use Medicare.gov. It has a plan finder tool. You could also use SHIP's government programs staffed by volunteers to help you compare Part D drug plans. The third way is our new service. You don't have to take the time to go somewhere. You don't have to log into something to figure out how to compare something. You enter your medications through HeyMOE.com. We automatically remember when open enrollment is. We run your medications for you and automatically tell you how much you will save by changing drug plans. We tell you which pharmacy will be the most cost effective for you. You don't have to struggle to figure out how to do it or when to do it. We do it for you. Learn more at HeyMOE.com. We make no money from the sale of Medicare insurance. We work for you.